So here's my initial contract with the USCCA in 2019. And here is one of 3 letters I got with them threatening legal action against me because they didn't like something I said. So I'm going to make a retraction first, just to satisfy the lies written in this letter from the USCCA. They said that I claimed that it was a fact that they're a reimbursement corporation or reimbursement law firm or reimbursement insurance. That's not what I said. I said it was my understanding that the way they handle things was that they reimbursed you for expenses as they went on. That is materially wrong. If that's the way that it came across, that is not what I intended and not what I said. That was my understanding, and I'm going to tell you why I had that understanding. This contract from 2019 was written at a time when apparently the USCCA was going through lots of changes. And I said in the video, I don't know what's changed since. And I don't know because shortly after giving us this contract, actually, let me tell you how they got us to sign the contract. We had someone come by our office from the USCCA, and I'm not exactly sure who the initial rep was. I know who the follow-up rep was. It may have changed, it may not have. This has been since 2019, I think November 2019. So we signed a contract. We thought that, and still think that, concealed carry insurance is a great idea for you to have. We have, since the last video, we have turned in all of our paperwork now to become a partner for attorneys on retainer. I don't think that I have my discount code yet, but I'll share that with you at some point in the future. Hopefully that will move forward. Because so far they have been extremely professional in every aspect. And what I shared with, I had a relationship with attorneys on retainer in the last video, that was as a customer. I signed up for their service a year, maybe a year and a half ago, have had to use it one time, and it was very nice to have that comforting feeling that when I called them, they called me back. So far, great company to deal with. USCCA, my experience has been very, very different. When we signed the contract in 2019, we really think that everyone should have concealed carry insurance, and even having their insurance is definitely better than having no insurance. But what happened is, we signed the contract in 2019, they discontinued all affiliate relationships in 2020. During that time period, when we were trying to get information, I met one time with their rep here in Tennessee, I think maybe twice. I reached out to that rep and said, hey, there's some services we offer, why don't we collaborate back and forth? Maybe you want to work with us some. No response, no callback, no information. Like, I had no idea what was going on. So I really was not a very well-trained affiliate of the USCCA during that time. US Law Shield came into the office offering a very similar comprehensive type service. I loved the guy who was with US Law Shield. So we said, yeah, happy to sign a deal. Our affiliate relationship with USCCA is gone. We're happy to sign a deal with you. And to be quite honest, the USCCA has been pretty responsive. I got the guy's number. He did move out of Tennessee. He moved out to Jackson. We've talked several times. And I finally got a clue maybe a year and a half ago, that attorneys on retainer was kind of the up-and-coming thing. We saw a couple of people who were normal YouTubers, which I'm going to address in a minute, normal regular YouTubers who had kind of jumped ship from the USCCA, and they were joining attorneys on retainer. So I thought, well, I'm going to go look at this organization. So I looked at attorneys on retainer. I decided it was the thing for us. Our gun shop manager, who's no longer with us at the time, said, hey, I got him. I love him. He's opened a range. He owns a range about 4 miles from here now. He's extremely good trainer, extremely honest guy, really nice to deal with, just like us. We're very honest, although Delta Defense, USCCA accused me of lying a lot of times. So he liked them. His experience with them had been good. I have had to use them once. I pulled a knife on somebody out in Hartsville. It was a tweaker, really bad experience. I did not pull my gun. I called the police immediately. The guy was obviously on drugs. All that's gone away, but as soon as I called attorneys on retainer, they called me back. I'm hoping I can give you my affiliate number here before long. However, discussing this with Delta Defense, one of the things that they said, as you know, the USCCA membership includes self-defense liability insurance under a policy issued to the US through the USCCA, wherever USCCA member is an additional insured. How am I to know that? I'm no longer a member. I haven't had their services since 2020, since they redacted, pulled in, canceled the affiliate program. And that's what I was referring to when I said I don't know what's changed with the organization, because my initial contract was null and void a few months, maybe a year after they signed it. Here's something else. They said in here, in your statements are commercially motivated and made in bad faith. Let me tell you the exhaustive process I went through trying to find out something about the USCCA. Now, it was not related to their service. I heard a rumor that the USCCA was now doing business with a company called LifeLock. LifeLock is a identity theft company, probably the megalith in the business. Like they have millions of people who are subscribed to their service. When I heard that, it disturbed me because I know a little bit about political donations. I'm politically motivated. I watch those types of things, and I had heard that LifeLock was primarily liberal. So if you're conservative, if you are liberal, if you are okay being a gun owner and voting for Democratic candidates, and this video is not for you. But the reason I reached out, and I still have the emails, but the reason I reached out to the USCCA trying to get a hold of someone in management was because I wanted to verify that what I was getting ready to say was true, fair, and accurate. Well, I didn't have to do that anymore because they made an announcement. The USCCA made an announcement that they had gone into a partnership with LifeLock. We got an email from them. If you get USCCA, you also are entitled to get some type of, minimal coverage through LifeLock. Oh, I did call customer service. I called customer service at the USCCA and asked them what the coverage was. I may have not have kept the notes. It's like $40,000 worth of coverage, which is nothing. Your average, if you have a dispute over your title or mortgage, like the average fees to get your house back are something like $100,000. So the coverage, and it's like one person, something like that. It's not worth anything, which is a concern for me, because if you are conservative and if you are a Christian and if you don't want your money going to the alphabet people, or you don't want your money being used for things that are not in your character and your nature, you need to know that likely your information, if you are signing up for this with the USCCA, LifeLock is going to have your information. And I've seen a number of people out there who've had their information stolen and then used for other purposes, like trying to hunt down gun owners in certain areas so that all the 2A members are exposed nationwide. Ugh. So that's why I really, really had a problem. That's what the whole video was about. I had a problem with the USCCA being in partnership with LifeLock. Now, I've already, I think, confirmed and redacted the fact, and they have gone to an exhaustive measure to try to get me to say they're not a reimbursement company, they're an insurance company. And I think if their material that they sent me is true and accurate, then that's the case. They're not a reimbursement company. They are an insurance company. But they are a company that has been okay to let the almighty dollar dictate how they do business. They've been okay to go in partnership with a company that is entirely against the conservative Christian movement in this country. And what they're doing on a regular basis now, and you need to know this, so if you're planning on going to one of these seminars sponsored or hosted by the USCCA at your church, you need to ask your church, hey, do you know the partnership that the USCCA has with LifeLock? Do you know where LifeLock's political donations go to? Go look it up. The information is easy to find. You can find it on the FEC website. That's one place. And there are several other. Just go to Open Secrets. That's the easiest place to find. Not as reliable as the FEC. That's a Federal Election Commission. Not as reliable as the FEC website, but that information is available out there to the general public. You can go get it. So, look. Now you know the true story, right? Threatened by the USCCA, and I would have been happy had they said, hey, these statements are not accurate. I've been more than happy to pull down accurate statements from letters and from other things. We've had disagreements in life. Very false, too, that I already had a relationship with attorneys on retainer. I do now, and I will hopefully get my discount coupons here shortly so I can be a true full-fledged affiliate. Here's my initial contract from 2019. No training, no links, no help, no follow-up. The rep didn't do anything with us, and it was canceled shortly after we had the contract. So I think maybe some of this confusion from the USCCA comes from their own doing, which is not having a very good rollout with the affiliate program, giving us someone who was new and ill-informed or uninformed. Who knows what made me think the way that I thought about it being a reimbursement program at the time. That was a long time ago. And just to be clear, it's not a reimbursement program based on their material that they've sent me and threatened me with. So if you are considering getting concealed carry insurance, get something. I mean, all these policies are cancelable. Like, you don't have to have long-term cancellations. Get something. I am recommending Attorneys on Retainer. Now I'm hoping to have a relationship with them. Would love to do business with them. And I think if you're looking for concealed carry insurance, you should do it. Maybe eventually I'll have a code to put below so we can give you a discount to sign up. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe.